Hey everyone, we are heading up Tincup Pass. We're just outside of St. Elmo Ghost Town in Colorado. Got a little rain going on, so we're doing some of our narration from inside the Jeep right now. Tincup is, it's not a difficult trail by any stretch, but it is rocky and bouncy, and it will beat you up pretty good. But there's a nice gift at the end with Mirror Lake, so hopefully we'll get there all in one piece and have a good time on Tincup Pass today. Now there's been quite a bit of rain the last couple days, as well as today. It's still raining a little bit. So we expect to see quite a few little water puddles, and hopefully the mud won't get too bad. Now the road gets pretty rocky and rough in a lot of places. It's smooth in others, but in those sections where it's really rough, it will definitely do you a huge favor to have aired down. We're currently running about 12 PSI just to make for a nice, softer ride. One of the cool things about Tincup Pass is actually the amount of dispersed camping that's available. There is just an absolute ton of campsites up here. It's not for, your typical, sedan or car camping. You got to have a decent rig to get up here, but it can be well worth it to bring your stuff up and camp up here at this altitude. Really, really amazing sights. Looks like we've got ourselves a little challenge here with this deep, icky, yucky, smelly mud pit. Hopefully we can get through it okay, because there's nothing to winch off of in front of us. Don't stop, don't stop, don't stop, don't stop, don't stop, don't stop. Good. Okay. Okay. Go! 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 Go, 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 go! Go, 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 go! Okay, nope. Okay. Hit it. Hit it. Go, 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 go. Go. You gotta bump it harder, honey. Go back a little bit more. Right there. Right there. Gotta plow through it.
I didn't feel that.
There you go.
Sorry guys, we'll pull them out.
If you're looking for a technical trail, like some of the other ones in the area, this really isn't it. It's just rough, it's rocky, it's, you know, it's a little hard on your internal organs. But if you want a scenic trail that pretty much anyone can do in a stock vehicle, it is really, really hard to beat the views that you get on Tincup Pass. Hey, we want to do a shout out to Dan, who's driving this silver Toyota behind me. He hooked up with us around the summit and hanging out with us for a little bit, at least until he finds a camping spot. So thanks for joining us, Dan. And now for what could be the biggest challenge of the day, we have to get by Mirror Lake, and it is quite deep today. let's hope we can get through it without any problems. This was by far the deepest water we have ever been in. To navigate this, you just hug the shore. Just hug the shore, keep a nice, easy, consistent speed. But boy, is it freaky driving in this much water.
does. I'm a cheater.
Yeah.
Okay. That is pretty cool. That is pretty cool. Thank you.
Thanks, Dan. From Mirror Lake, it's now a pretty easy drive the rest of the way out as we head towards the town of Tincup. There's still more views, still more scenery, and a little bit of fun, but there's no more technical challenges along the way. This is pretty much the easiest stretch, which is why a lot of people come from the other side towards the lake to go do some camping. Wow, that was Tincup. Always a favorite. It is rough for sure. You know, it'll beat you up a little bit. We just aired way down this time. We went down to 7 psi. It was a lot smoother than it has been in the past, airing down that much. And the new, the shocks that we have on here, it definitely wasn't as bad as my kidneys remember. A lot of fun, epic views. You go over the Continental Divide. It's just a great trail to go run. And the mud, pretty crazy. So that's going to wrap it up here at Tincup. Thanks for watching, everybody. From Katarina and myself, stay safe out there. We'll see you on the trails.